Still looking for a way to connect your old 3.5mm headphones on your new phone with USB-C port? There's actually a much better solution, and that's this very budget-friendly headphone set, which comes as a price which most people are already paying for USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. And so we can see this beautiful set of headphones which I got from the seller to show you. They come in with a built-in controller, they come in with a built-in microphone, and they come with what you want, this USB-C plug. And so really the only thing which you have to do is to remove this protection here and then plug it into the USB-C port. And so you're ready to use them. By the way, we have an L here on the left side and an R here on the right side, but they look actually also a little bit different. Really nice, stylish here in this green color, which I would say is a really beautiful mint green or light green. And so let's try them here. Wow, I'm totally blown away by the quality of this sound, especially the ultra deep bass sound here, which I definitely didn't expect in this class. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. And this controller is super easy to use to start, stop, increase the volume, decrease the volume. You can even long press to do it fast. And when you want to use the microphone, the best thing is to not hold it directly in front of your mouth. Otherwise it could cause a little bit of a pop effect. But when you hold it close here on the side, which is really comfortable here, then the microphone quality is really good. By the way, the set comes also with a replacement set of ear tips. Very easy to just remove the old ones, which I guess are medium size. You can remove them and select the size which you prefer. And we get even a clip here which you can use. Just clamp it here inside. You can see it's even nicely rotatable, and so you can use this to clamp this then easily, for example, here on a t-shirt or so. I tried these headphones now on a couple of different phones. Of course, all Android phones, but newer phones, older phones, Samsung, some other phones, even an old LG phone, and it worked everywhere, plug and play, absolutely no problem. So I think compatibility is absolutely awesome. You don't have to be worried about that. Yeah, they're definitely not bad. I mean, the speaker quality way above my expectations. The microphone, of course, is not superior quality or so, but you can definitely use that to make quick phone calls or so. I wouldn't recommend to use them for a 1-hour conference call, but other than that, absolutely no problem. And the awesome thing is they come at an absolute awesome price point, at least at the moment. When I'm checking now in August 2026, they are way below $20 really for everything, even including this really nice pocket. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order a set for you if you like. I think it could be also a great gift for children or teenager, because you never know what they are doing with their headphones, losing them, destroying them, and then it doesn't break the bank to just buy a new pair. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with these headphones, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.